The Little Lion Leo. Once upon a time, in the vast African savannah, there lived a young and curious lion cub named Leo. Leo had a magnificent golden mane that shimmered in the sunlight, and his eyes sparkled with excitement. Leo loved exploring the grasslands, chasing butterflies, and playing with his fellow animal friends. But deep down, he had a big dream: to become the bravest and most respected lion in the entire kingdom. One day, while wandering near a watering hole, Leo heard a cry for help. He followed the sound and discovered a little gazelle named Grace, caught in a thorny bush. Grace was frightened and couldn't free herself from the prickly trap. Without hesitation, Leo pounced into action. With his strong jaws, he carefully untangled the thorny branches, freeing Grace from the bush. The grateful gazelle thanked Leo with a gentle nuzzle and a heartfelt smile. Word of Leo's courageous act spread across the savannah, reaching the wise old lion, King Regal. Intrigued by the young cub's bravery, the king invited Leo to the lion's den, the grand gathering place of all the lions in the kingdom. As Leo entered the lion's den, he felt a mix of nervousness and excitement. The older lions welcomed him warmly, and King Regal addressed the assembly. "Dear lions," King Regal began, "we have a young cub among us who has shown great courage and kindness. He rescued Grace the gazelle from a thorny trap." The lions roared in approval, and Leo blushed with pride. From that day forward, Leo became known as Leo the Lionheart, a symbol of bravery and compassion. Embracing his newfound role, Leo started protecting and caring for the other animals in the savannah. He resolved conflicts, helped the injured, and made sure everyone had enough food and water during challenging times. As Leo's reputation grew, so did the unity among the animals. They learned to work together, respecting and supporting one another. The savannah thrived as a harmonious and peaceful place for all its inhabitants. Years passed, and Leo grew into a magnificent and wise lion. He became the beloved leader of the kingdom, known for his kind heart and wise counsel. The savannah was a testament to the power of compassion and bravery. And so, the tale of Leo the Lionheart spread far and wide, inspiring generations of young lions and animals to be brave, kind, and protectors of the vulnerable. The kingdom flourished under Leo's leadership, reminding everyone that true strength comes from within and is best used to serve others. From that day forward, lions roared proudly, not only as kings of the savannah but also as guardians of peace, unity, and love.